Hello, we appreciate you visiting the Passionoy channel. Each video is created in love, driven by passion, and fueled by joy. Your Passionoy journey starts now. Today, we're about to blow your minds with the top 10 side hustles that'll have you swimming in cash by 2025. We're talking life-changing stuff here, people. Whether you're looking to buy that dream car, travel the world, or just have some extra spending money, these side hustles are your golden ticket. We're going to break down each hustle step by step so you know exactly what to do to start raking in the dough. We're talking insider tips, tricks, and strategies that the gurus don't want you to know. But hold on tight, because we're not just giving you ordinary side hustles. These are next level money-making machines. So if you're ready to ditch your boring 9-to-5 and become your own boss, smash that like button, subscribe, and get ready to unlock your financial freedom. First up, we've got freelancing, and let me tell you, this is where the magic happens. Are you a word wizard, a design ninja, a coding guru, or a video editing master? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients worldwide. Set your own hours, be your own boss, and work from anywhere. Picture this: you're lounging on a beach in Bali closing deals. That's the power of freelancing, my friends. Calling all storytellers, entertainers, and creative geniuses. If you live and breathe videos, posts, and captivating content, then buckle up, because this one's for you. Content creation is the name of the game, and platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are your playgrounds. Imagine getting paid to do what you love, sharing your passion, connecting with millions, and watching your influence soar. With brand partnerships and ad revenue pouring in, you'll be living the dream while making a real impact. But here's the secret sauce: be authentic, be passionate, and be consistent. Find your niche, create content that gets people hooked, and watch your audience grow exponentially. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner star, start creating, and get ready to cash in on your creativity. Are you a whiz kid in math, a science guru, or a history buff? Turn your knowledge into cash with online tutoring. Platforms like Schooly, TutorMe, and Chegg Tutors connect you with eager students. Set your own rates, work flexible hours, and avoid the commute. Inspire the next generation and build a rewarding side hustle with online tutoring. Ever dreamed of being your own boss and running a successful online business? Well, with e-commerce and dropshipping, that dream can be your reality. And the best part? You don't need a warehouse full of inventory to get started. Imagine this: you create a stunning online store, partner with awesome suppliers, and watch the orders roll in. Customers buy from you. The supplier ships the products directly to them, and you rake in the profits. It's like magic, but with more money. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Spocket make it easier than ever to launch your e-commerce empire. Find a niche, source high-quality products, and market your heart out. So, are you ready to join the e-commerce revolution and build a business that generates passive income while you sleep? Then dropshipping is your golden ticket. Okay, folks, get ready to have your minds blown. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate side hustle for sharing amazing products. Partner with brands, promote their products, and earn commissions on every sale. Imagine recommending a product you love and earning money. It's like getting paid to share your recommendations. Platforms like Amazon Associates offer a vast network of brands. Find your niche, create content, and watch commissions roll in. Ready to turn your passion into profit? Dive into affiliate marketing and watch your earnings skyrocket. Are you a master organizer with a knack for efficiency? Become the ultimate behind-the-scenes hero as a virtual assistant. Help businesses with administrative tasks, email management, scheduling, and more. Do it all from home with platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Set your own hours, choose your clients, and build a thriving business. Step into the world of virtual assistants and transform your skills into a lucrative career. Want to make extra cash in your spare time by simply sharing your thoughts and opinions? Then online surveys and website testing are your new best friends. Companies worldwide are dying to know what you think about their products, services, websites, and apps, and they're willing to pay you for your valuable feedback. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and User Testing pay you to take surveys, watch videos, test websites, and share your honest opinions. It's a fun and easy way to earn extra cash while you're watching TV, waiting in line, or just relaxing at home. But here's the secret. Sign up for multiple platforms to maximize your earning potential. The more surveys you take, the more money you make. So, if you're ready to turn your downtime into dollar signs, then jump into the world of online surveys and website testing and get paid for your valuable insights. Calling all animal lovers. If you're obsessed with furry friends and can't resist a wagging tail, then pet sitting and dog walking are the perfect side hustles for you. Imagine this. You get to spend your days cuddling with adorable dogs, playing fetch in the park, and showering them with love and attention, all while earning money. It's a win-win situation for both you and your furry clients. Platforms like Rover, Wag, and Care.com connect you with pet owners in your area who are looking for trustworthy and loving individuals to care for their beloved companions. Set your own rates, choose your clients, and build a rewarding business around your passion for animals. So, if you're ready to turn your love for animals into a fun and flexible side hustle, then unleash your inner pet whisperer and start cashing in on your furry friends. Ever dreamed of living in luxurious homes, exploring new neighborhoods, and getting paid for it? Well, house sitting might just be your ticket to a life of adventure and extra income. Homeowners going on vacation or business trips need responsible and trustworthy individuals to watch over their homes, collect mail, water plants, and ensure everything runs smoothly while they're away. And that's where you come in. Platforms like Trusted House Sitters, House Carers, and Nomador connect you with homeowners worldwide who are looking for reliable house sitters. You can find opportunities to stay in stunning homes, from cozy cottages to beachfront villas, all while earning money or enjoying free accommodation. So if you're ready to trade your boring apartment for a life of travel and unique experiences, then pack your bags, sign up for a house-sitting platform, and get ready to live like royalty. Are you a master crafter with a knack for turning everyday materials into works of art? Turn your passion into profit by selling your crafts online. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Handmade are perfect for showcasing your creations. Take stunning photos, write compelling descriptions, and offer exceptional customer service. Engage with followers on social media and watch your handmade empire flourish. Unleash your inner artisan and share your masterpieces with the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money and improving your skills. We've explored 10 incredible side hustles that can boost your income and unlock exciting new opportunities in 2025 and beyond. Remember, the key is to choose a side hustle that aligns with your passions, skills, and lifestyle. So, what are you waiting for? Take action today, start building your dream side hustle, and watch as you achieve financial freedom and create a life you love. Congratulations, you're one step closer to a better you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. This helps us continue to make complimentary videos, and please share the video to help others live their best life. We look forward to reading your comments and responding. My purpose in life is to help others. God's love for us is our why at the Passionoy channel. Let's continue daily on a passion and joy-filled journey together, living our best lives. Join us today and become a Club Passionoy VIP. Someone living their life driven by passion and fueled by joy, with hopes to help you live your best life now, the Passionoy life.